It's okay, baby.
Beauty
They're
is
gone
paid.
now. They're gone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, BrittanyBearMakeup here, and today's video is going to be a microscope video. So today I'm going to be doing an extraction on my face. I'm going to be popping all of my blackheads I got on my nose, showing you guys all the gunk and crump under the skin. It's going to be epic, it's going to be wild. But before we get started, Bear Fam, I'm going to need you guys to do me one favor. Click that subscribe button so you can join my Bear Fam, and go ahead and turn on your post notifications so you guys can get notified when I got more microscope videos coming your way. And let's go ahead and jump right into the video.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright, Bear Fam, so I'm freaking excited about this video. You guys already know microscopes are my thing. I like seeing what's under my skin, and I'm telling you guys, you would be surprised that a lot of us got a lot of junk in our trunk. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking some steam from this steam-a-leamer, and I'm basically going to use this to open up my pores, get them nice and ready to, you know, extract some serious gold today. So let's go ahead and grab the steamer. Just put my face under, give it a couple swirls, and then it's time for the extractions. I'm gonna go ahead and take my handy dandy gloves because I do not want any gunk flying out on my hands, okay? So I have my boyfriend over here. He's gonna wave his little hand. Ozzy is going to be holding the microscope for me while I really get in there with my utensils and extract. So let's go ahead and get started with the extraction. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the side of my nose. Oh, this is the money shot right here. Holy crap, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, Bear Fam. That was disgusting. Let's keep going. Let's keep diving in and seeing what we can get. I'm gonna go ahead and keep scraping away with this little utensil. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a grip. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Ew, do we see all those like hairs I got going on? Oh my God, it's like little balls of pus just exploding. Oh, ow. You know what? My eyes are getting so watery. That hurts so bad. This thing, literally, oh my God. This is a dangerous little thing. Let's keep going, guys. Let's keep seeing. All right, I'm gonna try to clean the side of my nose a little bit because this is literally the area that I never get to when I pop my blackheads. Do we see all this nasty oil? Oh, Lord. Ew. It like looks like a giant booger just being scraped off my nose. Oh my Lord. That is so freaking gross, guys. Okay, I'm gonna quickly switch over to this utensil because I'm just curious what the hell this thing does. From my understanding, like I've seen some videos where basically you like pop a hole in your nose and then somehow you can kind of like pull the whitehead out. I don't know if this is actually true, but I'm gonna try it on one side. So let me get my mirror really close. Let me see. I'm gonna poke a hole in one of these little... Oh, wait a second.
Did you just get...
Oh my God, I just got one. That was literally the video that I saw, and I was trying to show Ozzy, and he did not believe me that this thing actually claws out your whiteheads. This is definitely a Brittany deep cleaning. She needs this. She does it once a month, but I never go under a microscope and do it. I think this is the new way to really get a facial. Okay, let's keep going. Let's do this side. Oh, she did that. Oh my God. Literally look like I'm crying. This is painful.
I'm getting grossed out.
All right, I'm gonna trade back to this real quick. Let's see what we have going on here. Oh my God, do we see all of the things that are like squirming out of my nose? Oh, this is so good. Oh, this hurts so bad. I'm literally crying. That is so freaking nasty. I'm gonna wake up literally looking like Rudolph tomorrow. My nose is like so swollen right now. I'm really determined to just get like one of those really good ones where I pick it out again. So I'm gonna try the claw again. I know, I have to find a good pore. So I'm gonna need you to put the microscope, babe. Find a pore on my nose. There's so many of them. I feel like they're all clogged. Wait, hold on. I'm not, oh, I'm collecting them. Oh, we just hit the jackpot. Oh no, I'm gonna be here all day. Oh my God. No, baby. This is epic.
That one right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, collect it.
You got it.
Oh, wait, no, I'm not done. I'm going in. We're gonna need some more action here because this is too good. Everyone's gonna be like, you're damaging your skin. I know. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I love this. It's like going to Disneyland.
Huh?
The Claw of Tusk. That's what I call it.
We're gonna be here all night.
Oh my god. I'm speechless
I feel like a Biora strip would be a lot faster than this.
Honestly, guys, I think the Biora strip was a little bit better, but this is something I actually do. I actually do this once a month. I'm not even just saying that. If I don't do that, and then my makeup comes on like super cakey, and then it looks bumpy, and I look like I have Braille on my nose, and we don't want that. We are not done. You know what? I went back to the store, and last time I made a big mistake because I got a mask, and I told you guys, you know what, this mask is supposed to take out all your impurities. Really, it was like a hydrating mask. I messed up, I'm aware, but guess what? I like to try again. So this is the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin. Apparently it says it's a detoxifying charcoal peel off mask. So apparently I like squeeze it out and then I just put it on my face. Ooh, she found a new mask. Just gonna keep going. Oh my god, this feels so good. But I'm just gonna be very generous with the amount I put on. Oh my god, I feel like I'm painting my face. Definitely gonna get the nose area because clearly we got a lot going on in that area. This thing is freaking cool. If this mask doesn't work, I'm okay with it because this was probably the highlight of my day today. Just like painting this on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let this dry on my face. It says to let it dry for about 8 to 10 minutes, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. Alright, Bear Fam, as enthusiastic as I want to be, I cannot move my face. It is time for the extraction. Ozzy's gonna go ahead, grab the microscope, and let's go ahead and see what we have underneath the mask, okay? Because gravity right now is pulling me down. Okay, I'm gonna start from this side right here, baby, so let's go under. Okay, oh, we're on the nose, and nothing happened. Okay, let's do the chin. Chin action. It's like, I see things kind of wanting to come out, but like, it's not strong enough.
I'm gonna say this is gonna be a fail.
Okay, literally this is pissing me off because I feel like nothing's
being extracted.
Alright, Bear Fam, so clearly this mask didn't work, and I'm really sad right now because this is my second attempt at these masks. And I thought this time I got it right because I actually read the label, I read the directions, it said it was gonna dry, it said it was gonna come off, and it was gonna take away, it was gonna spring clean Brittany Bear's face. Didn't do any of that, and I'm so sad. Like, I honestly just gave up. I'm gonna go to bed like this, and I'm hoping I'll wake up 10 times prettier. Anyways, guys, this is basically the video. I kind of just wanted to do some, you know, some maintenance on the face and show you guys under the microscope. I have so much fun kind of seeing the gunk that's under my skin. It's actually really interesting, and if you guys want to check out the microscope I use, I'll go ahead and link everything in the description below. So that basically concludes today's video. I love you guys so much. I want to give my huge post notification shout out to my girl, Kimberly Luna Mix. Thank you, girls, so much for being a genuine Bear Fam supporter. Always seeing your comments. Love you so much. If you guys want a post notification shout out, all you guys gotta do is turn them on and then comment when done. Thank you, Bear Fam, for watching today's video. If you stuck through the end, you are a real one. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
I'm Batman.
Oh yeah, just collecting all the nasty gunk in my nose. Do I want to bring you the blood knife?
You want to bring your